Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is silent. Market is behaving like a normal Monday market. And moreover, today is 23rd of December. So Christmas is around the corner. So market is in holiday mode. Already we have discussed in our previous videos also that if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously you should not be trading right now. You should be spending this time with your friends and family because market will not move much. And in this type of market, okay, either you will see a complete flat market, no opportunities, or you will see some unexpected spikes. Why unexpected spikes? Because those are easier to low volume markets are easier to manipulate. So beginners, new traders, you will get plenty of opportunities to trade after the first week of Jan. So better avoid right now and spend the time with your friends and family. Okay. And those who are planning to trade, you can clearly see that there is not much volume. If we look at the economic calendar today, we don't have any major event, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow, market will be closed. So there will be no videos for the next 3 days. Let's see, okay, how market reacts after 27th. Okay. Now let's look at the trading opportunities. So market is trading around 2625 and we can see that market is trading in a tight range. So whatever we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. And in this market situation, okay, breakout and breakdowns can be dangerous because of low volume. Because when there is low volume in the market, breakout and breakdowns usually fail. Okay, so from the current market level, okay, if we see some sort of retracement or downside, okay, on the chart of gold, we can look for a first buy around 2613 and the second buy will be around 2602 to 2600 and this will be 2613 to 2610. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for the buy position. Why? Let me show you. Now you can see that already market is standing around the FIBO 0.236. So if market drops, the next FIBO level will be 0.382, which is coming around 2613. Okay, so 2613, 2610, this is a zone in the market. We can expect the market to get some support. And then we have the best support on the chart of gold right now to around 2600 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level plus previous support around this area. So if market drops, we can look for support around this area. And in case an accident happens, okay, then this is the support that we can, okay, expect the market to bounce. But chances of market coming down to this level and taking support is very less. But in case market is full of surprises, okay, so in case market drops, this will be our support level, okay, around 2584 2585 area. Okay, so and if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, already we have discussed in our previous videos also that around 2650 2655 we have the best selling opportunity, and the selling opportunity is still valid because it's a round number psychological resistance. Moreover, we have the 200 moving average, plus if we draw FIBO, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, but the problem is that the chances of market going to 265055 is less right now because we don't see much volume. Okay, so if we are looking, if we need some immediate level, then you can also look for immediate resistance around 2638 2640. This is not a major level like 2650, but if market is very slow, we cannot do anything. So if market reverses, shows price rejection from above, we can also look for a sell around this area. On Saturday, we also discussed about taking a buy above 2633. Okay, if market breaks it, means it's a breakout level. But right now we can see the volume is very less. So if you're planning to go for a buy above, 2632, okay, be careful. Okay, be careful. Do not go for big lot size. Okay, you can hardly go for a lot of 0.1 or less than 0.1 because things are not very positive right now. We need to respect the current market condition, and obviously it is not ideal for trading. Okay. And we are traders, so we need to be flexible. When market give us opportunities, we need to grab it. And when market is silent, okay, opportunities are less, we also need to understand that this is not the ideal time to trade. After all, we are traders, we are not gamblers, we cannot trade blindly, isn't it? So again, I'm repeating, okay, this is not the ideal time to trade. Enjoy with your friends, enjoy with your family, okay, because life is all about making memories. And market is not going anywhere. Market will give you plenty of opportunities next year. So be careful this time. And if you still want to trade in this time right now, before Christmas, you can look for trading opportunities around the levels that I mentioned. In our last video, we also discussed about the structural change here because market was in downside, and now we can see that market is no longer forming lower lows and lower highs, isn't it? But in this situation, I don't think so market is going for a breakout. Chances are very less. Okay, if it happens, then you can try to follow the trend of the market. I'm not trading right now. Okay, I will be trading again in the next year. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And Merry Christmas in advance because I won't be uploading any video tomorrow, day after tomorrow because there's no use. Okay. So bye bye. Take care.